Hi friends, last session we have seen that set functions, set inbuilt functions. This session we are going to see the how to take the dynamic input and how to make it change into the set. If you take like a string like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6, I'm going to converting this into first converting this into like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 like this. I'm converting finally this into the set. Like this, if you want to do means we are going to use the input and split functions. Input and split functions. One is the input function, one is a method that is used with the uh, split. It is used with the strings only. Input will returns the string. Will returns finally string. We are going to convert the string into convert the string into list. This split method will returns the list. Finally, the split method after splitting the string into list, it will return after we are going to split. Like if you want to do the split method with the string, it will return the string. It will return the finally string. Sorry, list. Sorry, friends, I'm confusing you guys. If you take the, I'm going directly going to with the, uh, I'm directly going with the program here. Why I have to confuse with you? First program is if you take this, I'm going to take like a one variable called set one. If you take set one input dynamically, I'm going to take into input enter element. Then I'm going to convert this into splitting. I'm going to splitting, not converting. And splitting makes it will going to return the into list. It's going to, but our task is to convert this into the set. If you're going to convert this into set means if you make like use the set function in this input and input dot split like this. I will I will see here. First, first step is I'm taking the input like one space, two space, three space, four space, five. I'm taking separate as a five. Sorry, I'm taking the separate as a space ESC. Every element I'm given that space is a separator or you can call it a delimiter also. Second step, I'm making this input into input this into split. It will returns the split. It will returns the into. It make changes into list like this. It will convert one comma two comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Like this, it will convert. This split method automatically default it will take it's or not automatically default it will take the space only. If you not give the space also explicitly, it will take default it takes a space only. If you give third step, if you give set function inside this set let function inside this, it will changes into set. Like this, it will convert. See the output. If you try to print this set one, We will see the output like this. See, sorry, Python test dot Python test dot py. See, if you want to enter 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space 5 space 6. See, like this, like set is unordered. That's why order is not confirmed, like not not mandatory. That's why it is giving that like some other order, like 1 5 4 2 3 6, like this it is giving. Due to that, set is unordered data structure. If you take this instead of space, I'm going to take this into hyphen. Hyphen means you have to give the input like 1 hyphen 2 hyphen 3 hyphen 4 hyphen 5 hyphen 6, like this. See, once again, friends, 1 hyphen 2 hyphen 3 hyphen 4 hyphen 5 hyphen 6. See, 5 4 3 1 2 6. If you take duplicates also, 1 hyphen 2 hyphen 3 hyphen again 1 hyphen 3 hyphen 4 hyphen 6 hyphen uh, again 4 hyphen 3 hyphen, like this. If you take, see, duplicates are not allowed. Set functionality is, set behavior is, duplicates are not allowed, and set is unordered. See, here 1 is not repeated. 1 is here repeated while giving the output, while giving the input, but here not repeated. 2 is not repeated, but 3 is repeated 3 times. Here, see, 3, here 3, here 3. But here 3 only once. After, like 4 is repeated 2 times. 4. Here 4 is 1 time. Like after 6. See, 6. Like this. Set not allow the duplicates and set is unordered. Instead of, we can take comma also. We will see comma. Python test.py. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, like this. 1 comma see, 5 1 2 5 1 3 4 2, like this we are getting. Instead of we will leave it a space only, or we will leave the space only, but we are going to take strings. Python is a programming language. See, language Python is a programming. Here I am going to give the column. See, Python is a programming language. See, Python programming language is, we got like this. If you take instead of space, if you take instead of comma, Python comma is programming language. Like this is language programming Python. Like this we are getting. Like this, we have to use the split with input function. Split method with input function. We can take directly also using the we can take directly also using the eval. Set to equals to eval of input enter elements. Enter elements. Print of set to. If you give the set directly, set only directly we can give. We can give. First one is Python. Second one is programming. is language. We enter. If you print this, we are getting directly set only. If you want type also, we can print type of set to. I'm giving here numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like this. See, we got the set with in class as set. Like this, we are getting. Uh, this is a directly take. If you like my content, please like and subscribe and support my channel.